Hello guys, my name is Suryanshi Shah. Today I am going to show you how to make artificial miniature doll house. This is my artificial miniature doll house. I have made this doll house with my all strength. Now I am going to show you how to make a table. It is very easy. You can make this table from an old pencil tin and the pillows that the dolls can sit on it by the cardboard, and you can design any design you want. I have designed some flowers on it like orange flower, pink flower, blue and purple flower. And I have a miniature doll. This is not a real doll. It is a clip. The clip was broken, so I made this a doll. Now let's come to the bed. This is my miniature bed, but it is too big. You can see it. This bed is made by my shoebox, and it is containing a pillow here, and I made a window here for that the miniature dolls can see what is happening outside. Let's see the cupboard. The cupboard is also made by the cover of a cardboard box, and I have made a hanger by a pencil. Now let's come to the dressing table. I have made this dressing table with cardboard and glitter sheet and a chair made for my miniature doll by the puzzles. And this pot is also made by cardboard, and it also contains some plant on it. The plant is made of glitter sheet. I have made a bodyguard by a Chota Bheem keychain. You can also contain an old keychain. Now let's come to the snacks. I have made an Oreo and Fruity by the paper. Now you can see a guard sitting here. This guard is not a real guard, but I got this guard in an old tractor. The tractor was broken, so I took the guard and I put here. He is now a guard. Now you can see aquarium. This aquarium is also made by cardboard. You can make this upper part of the aquarium by a rubber. This rubber you can easily get in the stationery. Let's go to the garden area. This is my garden area. You can see it. It is amazing. Yeah, I know it. These grasses are made up of glitter sheet. I have cut as a grass, a bush of grass. Now you can see a horse standing near you. This is not a real horse, but it is a miniature horse toy. You can get it from Kinder Joy. And this girl standing here is also you can get from Kinder Joy. These both rings are not a real plant. You can see that they are rings that I got from Kinder Joy Surprises. Now you can see a miniature clip girl here. She is riding her bike But she is not sitting on her bike. It's not a real bike. It's a toy bike for this sweet little girl. Now this is a crocodile. Camera on his hands, and he is having a rest in the chair. This chair is really comfort, made by cardboard box, and this garden area is made by water paint colors. I have made this watercolors, and this looks like a real grass, but it is not. Now let's come to the dog house. This is my dog house. It is amazing. Oh, I know your answer. It is. This is a chair for that the dog or a cat can sit and sleep. And this is a foot table that I have made by buttons. And this big tree is not a real tree. It is a Christmas tree that we decorate in Christmas season. And this is my kitchen. It's not a real kitchen, but I have made it with my all strength. This is a kitchen basket that contains a chips packet, a 2 yum packet, and a chocolate. I know that the chocolate looks not like real, but it was too difficult to make this. And I have made this cans. These both cans are Coca-Cola can and Thumbs Up Thunder can. These both cans are also made by paper. And you can see here a girl standing. Hello, my name is Sweetie. Oh, Sweetie. And this kitchen chair is also made by puzzles. You can see a sink here. This is a sink washer that you can wash your dishes in it. A tab. Oh, it looks too good. Thank you for making a new sink. Oh, you're welcome. Let's come to the first floor. This is a sofa made by cardboard. You can see the sofa directly. And this little girl is also not made by cardboard. I'm making a fool of you. It's not a makeup. It is a Kinder Joy surprise. And this sofa is also made by glitter sheet, and the cushions are also made by glitter sheet. And the amazing thing is the table. The table is standed by the buttons, 2 buttons. You can keep it easily. And I made this whole table by cardboard. I have painted it by sketch pens, and this tray is my favorite one. You can see a little plate on it and some fruit, but they are the rubber. But it is a rubber. Strawberry and banana. You can also get it in the stationery. This is a mat made by me. It's not made by me, but this is from the big huge Barbie sticker. I knew that. You will be shocked. I got this in a supermarket. Let's see, a children's bed. This children's bed is made up by my present. I took out the cover of the present and I just made this bed. And this bed contains a pillow here. This pillow is made by cardboard, and the back part of the bed is also made by cardboard. I have designed some heart and Barbie and some spots on it. Let's see the car. This is my parking of my car. This car is amazing. I have stick this car here to the bed. Now let's see the Barbie photo that I have made earlier. You can see this Barbie photo easily. It's not a real photo. It is a sticker. I made this by glitter sheet, the corners, and a label of Barbie. Now the house also has some designs made by stones. Now you can see a little tiny fan for the miniature dollhouse, because if they find hot there, so they can also on their fan. I have joined the corners by the rubber or some necklaces. Thank you for watching my video, but I forgot to make a bathroom because it was too difficult.